Runs away from us! And you know Canoe's hungry for everything. Oh, look how. And into the back of the twine, says Mr. Cameron. Cameron down low. And each of us trying to think about this. Trump! Oh, another green light in. Oh, easy, Cameron, easy. This is going to be a lot more interesting. Matt. Wingfield as well, trying to help him out. Cameron as well, Yevgeny. Oh, and Wingfield was trying to think about it. And a foul. Oh, yeah, this is going to get a little dangerous. Out! Oh, this is dangerous. Look out. Oh, another green light by Yevgeny. Great save, Nico. To the midfielder. Down low. Oh, Yevgeny was there. Shot. And it was coming for a moment. That will be a corner. Attack as well. Wingfield. Oh, my. Another marvelous scoring chance for these guys. By Cam. Look out here. Out! This is going to get a little dangerous right now. Body! Green light in! Oh, great. Oh, yeah, look out here. Oh, dang it! Oh, wait, never mind. It's no goal. Waved off. And I thought Nico may have slipped in there. It's no goal. They wave it off. Yevgeny. Cameron. Yevgeny again. Good. Don't worry. And Ishan is wondering for the bench. Down low, and then a shot. Oh, yes! Wingfield. 1-0, Canoe. There you go. 1-0 for Canoe. Wingfield. Yevgeny again. And Nico. And Yevgeny again. And attack again. Evan as well. Good ball. Oh, and Ichon still controls with it. Evan's right at the front. Ivan again. Ivan down low. Cameron had to lot to think about, but Cameron, beautifully. Look out, and a green light in on attack there, but look at attack going for Ivan. Ivan with a shot! Oh! Corner. It's coming when it was coming. It's coming when you know it's coming. Too far for Cameron, but kept in there by Nichov. Down low. Attack with a shot. Oh, yes! Oh, I didn't see that coming. Attack from long range. 2-0. 2-0 for Canoe. Let's see what Ishad has to say about this. Look out. Look out here. Look out, Ishad out. What again? Tricolour Uniter on the board. Next up. Luca as well helping out in the mix. And on each of us again was robbed. This is going to get dangerous. Out! Watch out for the Rapido! Good ball from Nichov. Ibra still in play. He lost out of bounds. What a fast-paced scoring game, 8 minutes in. Easy shot. Nichov on the left wing. Mike down low. And Williams, Looking for Mike again. Mike threw it across. Oh, Ivan was there. Time. Ishan. Cameron. Oh, it's a block again. And drop here. Oh, look out, Ishan. Oh, look out here. Oh, no go. Iron down low. Oh, look out. Mike here. Luca as well. Or Cameron, rather. Luca down low on this end. Mike as well. Oh, then look out here. Oh, draw here. Oh, another green light hit by Mike. Oh, green light hit by Ishan. That's out. Some time. Good ball, Muka. Oh, and I don't know how the referee not even called it. Oh, look out, look, Ishan. Oh, green light hit by Ishan. Oh, got here. Oh, wow, Ramiro. Whoa! Good block by Ishan. Centers it right back to Muka. Zion as well. Zion down low. Oh, this is going to get very physical here. And Ishan is looking for a foul here. Easy, Cam. Easy, Zai. Down low. Hey, oh, boy. And a foul. Ishan fires. Deflected corner. But Ishan's been having some good chances for himself. Centering pass for Muka. Muka with a shot blocked again. And I'm liking the idea that they're putting on here. Muka. Cam's right there. Cameron's right there. And Muka. Ishan on the middle line. Cameron. Good ball. Hey, things are starting to get greasy. Mr. Wingfield beside me thinking about it. Oh, drop here. Oh, green light hit Muka. And nothing call. Oh, look at ball from attack. And then Ivan, hey, ref, a delay penalty. He sees this. Good ball here. Oh, green light hit by Ishan. Ishan from there. Ishan fires side of the net. Field, From Yev. Green light by Yev on this day right now. Oh, green light by Yev again. He's been everywhere so far for Canoe in terms of defense. And I'm loving the idea. Body! But off of Ishan. Body! Oh, green light might have been Yevgeny. Good ball, Muka. Oh, look at Muka go. Oh, and he was denied. It's going to get physical. Drop D. And I'm going to have to be a little physical like that. And Mr. Wingfield is trying to figure this out. Oh, Nishan. Oh, green light in. Oh, great. It's going to get fast paced. They know it's going to get physical. Body. Well, at least Nishan avoided a caution until then. Oh, look out here. Body. And the referee has blown his whistle. Well, technically not yet. Now we will. Look out! Oh, good block. Got the block by Yevgeny again. Oh, easy on. Oh, and it was Yevgeny and Zion just collided with each other. Out! All right, out! Wide. Out! Ramas, I finally get to see you again. Where were you after a 6-1 loss against Vodka?
Okay, we needed to tank that game.
But a foul call on Tricolour. But hey, no worries about that vodka junior team, by the way. I'm really going to have to try for Sunday, eh? Buka on the interchange. Buka. Good ball. And then you have Giddy. And you have again. You have down low. Zion again. Zion with a head fake. Zion in on goal. Hey, baby. Oh, boy, a foul. Wow. Rapido. Quick. And you have Giddy. Settles it right back to Ishan. Ishan, good ball. Not too far for really trying to get a lot of pressure. Nice hit by Yevgeny. Oh, green light hit by Zion. Oh, wow. And attack come in again. Attack who has already one goal and he nearly had his... Oh, boy, look out. He might be cold-blooded here. Oh, look out here. Out! Good play for Nico. And then right back to Zion. Boy, it's easy. Zion again. Good ball. And Mike again. Ooh. Hello. Oh, look out. And the ball is for Mike. Again. And Zion again. And Mike down low for... Oh, Chris was trying to get in there. Chris Wingfield. Somebody come in. Zion again. And then right back to the point, Cameron. And you have Giddy. Aye! Very physical. 5 minutes left in the first half. 2-1 for Canoe. And Zion again. Good ball. Chris Wingfield on the byline. Threw it across the line. By Cameron. We light it by Cameron. Oh, got here. Out. Oh, go attack. Oh, green light it by attack. And right back to Buka. Buka again. I don't know over the line. Right back to the point. And it's Yev Giddy. Yev Giddy is looking for options. Easy Yev. And this is very, very physical now. And Cameron right back to Ivan. And Buka. And Ivan again. It was clear. Clean or dirty? Buka. Cameron one-timer. A rebound for Mike again, and that was blocked. Buka for the Rapido. Out! Oh, green light in. By Buka. Quick. There it is for Ivan. And good ball, Yevgeny. Mike again. Drop. No. Okay, thanks, Nico. It's a 2-1 Canoe FC. Halftime advantage. And for Tricolour, they're going to have a lot of discussions. But for Canoe, they're looking on the right page of the quick note. That's what I said. Second half underway. Vamos! Ole! This is going to get very, very greasy. And a more fried taco way. Ivan. Beautiful moves around the defender. Threw it for Muka. And I'm going to have to figure, this is going to get very physical. It's going to be fast-paced. Hey, watch out for Rapido. Look out here. Green lighted by Yevgeny. Buka down low. And Yevgeny. Buka. Down low, looking for Mike. And there is Yevgeny. And then Mike, good ball, and Zayed again. Zayed comes in, blocked all the way through, but good shot by Zayed. Mikey as well, having the front, captain by Yevgeny. Yevgeny with a shot! Look out! And Zayed again. Yevgeny. And he shot. Oh, yep. And Muka. And Yevgeny. Yevgeny to Ishad. Ishad fires. Oh, the keeper again. Rebound for Mike Carter. Off chance, dig deep. One timer. Right back to Ishad. Ishad, quick. Ivan. Right back to Ishad again. Ishad down low, looking for a Zaid. Ishad again. And Yevgeny, we be talking. Kept in there by Ishad. Where's all the movement? Down low for a Zaid. Azai comes in, lost it. The big Ish come in. Down low, looking for Mike. Threw one for Ivan. Oh, it was blocked. Kept in there by Ivan again. Ivan has some options. Ivan on the byline. Threw one across. Oh. Rapido, Mike. Rapido. Talk. Down low. Oh, and Muka was there. Talk. Kept in there by Ishad. Ishad from distance. Deflected by Ivan. Oh, green lighted by Mike. And I'm going to have to figure. Mike is a good hitter. Oh, the God. Let it roll. Shield. Oh, green lighted. Oh, no. Ay, ay, ay. Oh! Green lighted by Muka. Muka. Oh, lost it again. Out! Oh, no! Whoa, touchdown. Good ball, Ivan. Out! Ishad. Hey, man!
Guys, make a sub.
I don't know what's going on here. And I don't know what's going on here. This is what I'm trying to figure out. And is that Ishad a little bit of a hobble? Oh boy, Ishad's hobble on the bench. And Azide again, down low, looking for Cameron. Cameron down low, Ivan threw it across. Mike holds it. Mike cuts in. Had the shooting lane, but kept in there by Yevgeny. Fires. Oh, my. And there's Chris Wingfield. Oh, green lighted by Azide.
Go, go, go.
Azide. Go. To the front. Oh, and Chris Wingfield. Oh, how easy, Yevgeny. And right back to the point as Azide. Down low, looking for, oh my, oh, Chris is a little shaken up. Down low, wide, and look out, is that Chris Wingfield in the mix of things? Oh, look out here. Oh, thank you, Cameron. Cameron gets lobbed it in play. And Chris Wingfield, Chris Wingfield, kept in there by Muka. Muka around in front with a shot wide. Oh, look out. Now green light in by Cameron or Yevgeny. Kept in there by Attack. Attack, good ball. Oh, and Chris Wingfield. Oh, and another mean machine it. Slow the tempo, Nico. Yevgeny again. Lays one across for Chris Wingfield. Chris Wingfield comes in. Oh, wow. Oh, green lighted by Attack. Turnover, oh, is a wide. This is going to get quite physical now. All right, out. Oh, green lighted by Cameron as the call is. Easy attack. Good boy, Chris Wakefield. Oh, look how things are starting to get real greasy out here. Oh! Good ball from Yevgeny. Relighted by Chris Wingfield. And he cuts in. Yes! What a goal by Chris Wingfield! Wow! 3-1! Thank you, my mate. Chris Wingfield is second and it's 3-1. And this is going to get physical now. Hey, look out for the long side. Body! Green lighted by attack. What I'm going to have to figure. All right, out! 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 Oh, you're green lighted. Wow, everything starts to get greasy. Good ball. Oh, and Mike was there. And Mike was such a good... Oh, green lighted by Mike. And I said, oh, look out. Oh! Fighting a true good matchup here tonight. Top two heavyweights. And it's going to get physical. Fast-paced approach. Oh! And someone just ran into Nico. And the suspect was one of the Tricolour players. Wow.
No, get a sub in for the center mid.
Oh, look how this is starting to get greasy. Oh, great block by Azide. And attack one-on-one from there wide. All right, oh! Oh, it looked like it was out, and I can't believe it. Look out for the pass pace. Oh, green light in there by Mike. Oh, look at Mike. Mike! Oh, wide! Wow. Yeah, it's going to get fast paced. Wow. Oh, look at the keeper. Hurrah! And oh, boy. Oh, Ivan was a... And Ivan comes in. Oh! The things are starting to get greasy. Look out. Wait, it's out. But I have to admit, I don't know how is it out. Out! Body! Aha! And there's a tuck. Oh my goodness. Here comes Ivan. In comes Chris Wingfield. Chris Wingfield for the hat trick. Oh, the keeper. Wow. Oh, look out. They don't like it now. They don't like the idea. And then right back to Mike. Oh, these are starting to get greasy. Oh, Chris. Yeah, look out. Cameron is getting into it. And things are starting to get... Ivan, get him. Oh, green light here. Oh, out. Out. Whoa, no. Wait. Easy. He started going after the tackle. And things are starting to get greasy. They smell a nice ground of gym socks. And Ishon down low looking for Chris Wingfield. Down low, Ivan. And another delay penalty. Yevgeny, Chris for the hat trick. Plays one. Off the pipe by Mike. By attack, rather. And Nico. Yeah. Mikey on this end. Easy, Yev. Yevy down low for Mike. Oh, easy shot. Go, Ivan. Down low, looking for Mike. And Mike was... this is going to get fast. Hey! Again. Oh, hey, babe. Where's going? Amish. Hey! What? Get greasy from a Popeye's chicken tender. What is up with this? It's all about the chicken wing. Look out! Go, wait. Calm it down, Nico. And you have Yevi again, down low for Ivan. Look it. Too far for Azide again. And Ivan, easy. Down low, looking for Nico. Good ball inside for Ivan. Good ball. Oh, and Mike was there. It was denied. Out! Body. Hard. Aha! Thank you, Mike. Hey, oh my. Hey, a foul. Good ball, and Ivan. Hey, oh boy. But I had to admit, now this is gonna get fast paced. And Ivan home into the glove. It's only about 9 minutes. Oh, he shot. Oh, green light in. No. Oh, look out. They don't like this. Out! Okay, clear. Wait, I'll go. Buka for Azide. Shoots one. Blocked again. Out! Kept it there by Azide. And Buka. Hey, Ray. Oh, boy. No yellow card. Thank you. Capiche. Rapido. Come on. Hold the possession and shoot the ball. Wow, incredible. And all the sounds have silenced. Ivan, looking for Muka. Ivan, one-timer, corner. Wow. Hey, look at this. This is going to get fast-paced. Mike with a quick corner. Mike. And then Yevi. Yevi cuts in. Plays one for Muka. On the counter, Cameron. Cameron shoots one. Wide. And then right back to Azaid.
There we go.
And then right back to Yevi again. Yevi. Lays one for Azaid. Azaid face the drive. Oh my goodness. Serpentine for a Popeyes. Oh, what a play for Mike. A counter-attack power play goal. And it's 4-1 for Canoe FC. Bullseye. Counter of Popeyes. A counter-attack goal for Mike, and it's 4-1 on the power play. Oh, green lighted by Yevi. I smell fishy. Oh, look out, Ivan. I really got to complain it. This is why. It's a 3-on-1 Muka. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my God. Hey, man. Oh, God. Oh, hey, man. Oh, God. Wow. It's like the Salter Street Brewers all over again. Oh, boy. And Chris is down. Oh, boy. Let's see what it's Chris Wakefield, a little shaken up, but he's fine. Mike again, down low for Azaid. Azaid cuts in. Fakes a drive. Center step, right back to point Muka. Chris Wakefield for the hat trick. Plays one for Azaid. Chris Wakefield wide. And left to go in the second half, and Canoe SC are going to pick up 3 big points to get back 7 points ahead of Tricolour for first place in the North Region Division. There it is, folks. The final whistle has blown, and everything more of a greasy ending. But they know how it is. But for anything for Canoe FC, they're heading to first place, 7 points ahead of Tricolour. And for the haiwans, they'll thank a very much ending. They're only now 1 point behind Tricolour. And there's another thing about all these shenanigans right now. Thanks for tuning in from Central Tech Field number 3. Round peace. Canoe FC have won it 4-1, and things are starting to get greasy. Wow. And it's starting to get greasy by the end of the day. Wow. It gets over now. We're over with. Somebody smell Popeyes for chicken tenders. Oh, look out. Look out, 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 look out. I'm sorry. And he shot it. There's a protest of the antagonist. Look out, look out. Look out, look out, look out. It's not over yet, folks. It's not over yet. There's about to... Look out. Let's go. Let's over this. Let's over now. Bye. Look up. Easy. You don't want to get yourself another yellow. You don't want to get a suspension. Easy. Oh, look out. Wow. Let's go. Wow. I don't know what to say here. Wow. Well, let's get out of here, folks. Goodbye.